everyone! Let's attempt to make something delicious today.
Today we're making super crispy vegetable fritters. Here's what you'll need: 1 carrot, 2 celery sticks, half a red onion, 3 cloves of garlic, a handful of coriander, and 2 eggs. For the seasoning, you can add whatever you want, but here's what I did. 1 teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 1 teaspoon of paprika, and 2 tablespoons of corn flour. Now mix everything together. Add 1 cup of plain flour and carry on mixing. This is how the consistency should look like. Heat up some oil and then we're ready to fry. Use 2 tablespoons to scoop and form the fritters. Fry each side for around 2 to 3 minutes until they are nice and golden. When they're ready, place them on a rack so the oil can drip and it keeps them nice and crunchy. And there you go! That's how I make my vegetable fritters. Try dipping them in your favourite sauces and enjoy! Thanks for watching!